Thank you so much. My name is Philip Okidi. I am Deputy in charge of academics for Archbishop Flynn Secondary School. I am very glad, Mr. Brian, for this sharing. I am very glad with what I have seen in the farm. It is a very good initiative. I would like to appreciate our donors in their absences for all the initiative, more especially for this farm. And really we have seen the farm is very, very helpful to the school, because currently as I speak, the farm is feeding the school, much as their relationship is where the school buys from the farm and the farm sells to the school. But it's very helpful because it has made getting food for the population of Archbishop Flynn Secondary School easy, especially beans and maize. Not only that, we have ever got the cassava from this field, including even the fish, meaning the farm is very, very helpful to the school. Not only that, even our students, we always bring them for practical work, especially those ones doing agriculture. And we see that really this is a research center that would really be very, very helpful to not only the school but even to the community. Maybe briefly, what I have seen as a challenge is the labor, the number of workers who are here. It is small. Looking at the size of the farm, it is big, but I see that maybe the officers in charge of the farm should really look for more workers, because the land is big and we see that they needed more laborers to come and really help. And another thing which we have seen is a big challenge, the road leading to the farm, especially the road from the district to where the farm is located is very poor. However, we have seen a small area which is being constructed. I was told is being constructed by the by the farm supporters. We saw the road is good. Probably maybe we shall request the local government of the district to help and also improve on the road leading to this place. That would make transportation of harvest and also movement of the workers, the staff to the farm would really become very easy. So that is my observation, Brian. Briefly, this is what I would share with you.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.